Now let's review what we have learned. You can pause the video if you need more time to answer the questions. Let's begin. What tool did we use most in this video in order to easily visualize adding and subtracting numbers? The answer is the number line. So we use the number line in order to easily visualize adding and subtracting numbers. Try to add these numbers using the number line. The answer is 1585. So how did we arrive at this answer? What we do is we first draw a number line, and since we're adding, that means our final answer is going to increase. That means we're going to go to the right direction because numbers to the right of a number line increase. So we start with the number 1230. And we are going to skip count in order to add 355. So we convert the number 355 into its expanded form, which is 3 100s plus 5 10s and 5 1s. So let's first add the 100s. So that's 1 100, 2 100, and 3 100. So that's 100 plus 100 plus 100. So the number at this point would become 1330 because we added 100, and then at this point it becomes 1430. Then here becomes 1530. So we're done with the hundreds place. Next, we add the tens place, and we have 5 tens. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's plus 10, plus 10, plus 10, plus 10, plus 10. That's 5 tens. We add 10 to 1530, becomes 1540 here, 1550 here, 1560, 1570, and then it becomes 1580. So we're done with the tens place. Next is we add 5 ones. So 1580 we add, that's a plus 5. Or you can skip count 5 ones. So 1580 plus 5 gives us the answer 1585. Try to do the subtraction operation below using the number line method. The answer is 5,543. So how did we arrive at this answer? What we can do is we can first draw a number line. And since we are subtracting a number from another number, that means our final answer would be less. That means we are going to the left direction because going to the left of a number line means that the numbers are decreasing. So we start off with our number, which is 7,875, and we are going to be subtracting 2,332. So it's much easier to skip count. We're going to break down this number into its expanded form. So there are 2 1000s, and there are 3 100s, and 3 tens, and 2 ones. Next, let's skip count. Let's start with the thousands place. There are 2 1000s. That's 1 1000. And then let's skip count another 1000. So 7,875 minus 1,000 gives us 6,875. And then if we subtract another 1,000, it becomes over here 5,875. So we're done with the thousands place. Next, let's subtract 3 100s. Let's just extend our number line a little bit. Okay, we have 3 100s. That's 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's minus 100. Minus 100 and minus 100. We have 3 of these. So 5,875 minus 100, that's 5,775, becomes 5,675, and here it becomes 5,575. So we're done with the hundreds place. Next, we need to subtract 3 tens. 1, 2, 3. So minus 10, minus 10, and minus 10. That's 3 tens. So here it becomes 5,575 becomes 5,565. Right? We subtract 1 from the tens place, and then it becomes 55 here, and then here it becomes 5,545. So we're done with the tens place, and now finally we subtract 2 ones. Let's skip count minus 2. So 5,545 minus 2 becomes 5,543, which is our answer. And that's it for now. Remember to keep on practicing your math skills with our sample exercises and workbooks. See you then.